Hello YouTube family, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I will be explaining how to do the engine oil top up of your motorcycle. So today we have a CD100. It has almost done 1500 kilometers after the oil change. So I will be doing engine oil top up of this motorcycle. So let me explain. So here you can see the speedometer. My last oil change was at 33,000 kilometers. So now it has done almost 1500 kilometers after that, which means that it is time for top up. So let's begin. So friends, earlier I made a video on how to check the engine oil level of your motorcycle. If you have not watched that video still, I will provide the link up here in the I button and the description. So before topping up, you should check the engine oil level. For that you should remove the dipstick. Make sure you warm up the engine for at least 2 minutes and then remove the dipstick. And make sure you wipe it up clean. Do not tight the dipstick, just insert it for 2 seconds and remove it. You can see the engine oil level is at the lower end. It should be between these two marks or at least middle of this, but it has come down to the lower mark, so this is the end point. So you should do the top up now. Here is the Castrol engine oil which I use regularly. I bought 1 liter pack when I did the oil change, so here is the 100 ml remaining. So this is more than enough for top up. So just remove the dipstick and keep it aside. Do not overfill, keep on checking with the level. Make sure it is exactly between the maximum and minimum mark, not too low or not too high. So after filling, check out the level. I hope you can see it is between the maximum and minimum mark. So it's done. So friends, again thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video.